I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming that your Yahoo account is active and you know the exact password. This prevents lockouts. Once done, open a modern browser and make sure cookies and JavaScript are enabled so Google's sign-in flow works. Make sure you have a recovery email or phone accessible in case verification is requested. Now navigate to Accounts. Google. And choose Use My Email instead. This tells Google you'll sign in with a non-Gmail address and starts the link process. You'll enter your Yahoo address where Google asks for an email. This creates a Google account tied to your Yahoo email rather than a Gmail inbox. Once you choose that option, Google will ask you to set a password and accept terms. Do this to establish credentials. Then Google sends a verification code or link to your Yahoo mailbox. Open Yahoo, retrieve the code, and paste it back. This step proves ownership and enables Google services for that Yahoo address, so don't skip verification. After verification, finish profile details and choose sync and privacy preferences so Google saves what you want. You can now sign into Gmail, Drive, and other Google services using your Yahoo email and the new password you created for the Google account. Note this does not create a Gmail inbox unless you add one. If you can't receive the verification, check Yahoo spam or filters and ensure forwarding is off. Also verify Yahoo account security settings and try again or request a new code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.